The blue truck is carrying an orange excavator. It looks like it has just been loaded or is about to be unloaded. In front of the truck, there is a man standing, possibly the driver or a station worker. The gas station has a red roof with the word PYOIL in large letters. The fuel pump is silver with nozzles and a display screen. Behind the fuel pump, there is a small gas price sign. The convenience store is yellow with the word THUN in red above. It seems to be a small store, combining the sale of gasoline and convenience items. Behind the gas station, there is a high mountain, covered with green trees. This shows that this location may be in a rural area or near mountains. In the front right of the photo, there is a pink bougainvillea tree in bloom. This flower adds color and vibrancy to the photo. This is a Hitachi EX40-1 excavator being transported on a truck. Loading and unloading excavators onto trucks is a job that requires technical expertise and caution to ensure the safety of people and equipment. The photo captures a striking orange Hitachi excavator in the process of digging earth at a messy construction site. The excavator's bucket, with dirt and red soil clinging to it, is being skillfully maneuvered to scoop up earth from a large pile. In front of the excavator, a dark brown dump truck with a spacious container is waiting to receive the earth. Reddish-orange earth dust covers the surroundings, creating a harsh working environment. In the distance, low green trees faintly appear against the grey sky, creating a gentle contrast to the noise and dust of the construction site. Daylight shines diagonally, further highlighting the details on the excavator and the truck. The photo captures a moment of everyday labour, but also reflects the strength and scale of the construction and mining industries.
Amidst the majestic natural scenery, where rolling mountains embrace the deep blue sky, a modern construction project stands out as a vibrant highlight. On the dark brown earth, the powerful Duzan excavator extends its metal arm, its bucket swiftly scooping up earth and rock. The roar of the engine echoes, blending with the sounds of work, creating an inspiring symphony of labor. Behind, houses with bright red-tiled roofs nestle under the cool green shade of trees, bringing a sense of peace and prosperity to the Vietnamese countryside. In the distance, white clouds drift lazily, casting shadows on the ground, creating a beautiful natural painting, harmonizing the power of industry and the gentle beauty of nature. You can, of course, adjust this translation to better suit the specific nuances and style of your video. Asterisk, welcome to our video. Today, we'll explore the operation of a powerful excavator on a lush green hillside. Asterisk, ever wondered how big projects are built? Join us as we learn about the land clearing process with an excavator in this video. Asterisk, the orange excavator stands out against the reddish-brown earth, its powerful bucket digging the first layers of soil. Asterisk, behind the excavator is a lush green forest, creating a beautiful natural backdrop. Asterisk, daylight shines down on the hillside, casting long shadows on the ground. Asterisk, the excavated soil is loaded into trucks for transport elsewhere. Asterisk, this work requires the skill and experience of the excavator operator. Asterisk, the land clearing process creates flat areas for building houses, roads, or other structures. Let me know if you'd like any other phrases translated.